How to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click the profile picture at the bottom right, and here click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And on this page right here, you need to scroll down to the app and media section, and from there click on archiving and downloading. And here the second section, you will see it says saving to camera roll. So from this section you need to turn on the first option that says save original photos, and as you can see right here, it says automatically save the photos and videos to your camera roll. It's that easy and simple. So that is it for this video. That's how you can save photos and videos of Instagram to your camera roll. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.